Welcome back, amazing learners. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in technology, generative AI. If you've ever wondered how artificial intelligence can create art, write stories, or even compose music, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the fascinating world of creative AI, showing you not just what it can do, but how it's transforming the way we create and communicate. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the magic behind machines that don't just analyze, they invent. We're witnessing a fundamental shift in artificial intelligence. For decades, AI was mainly about analysis, recognizing patterns, making predictions, and classifying data. But now, we've entered the era of generative AI, where machines don't just understand content, they create it. This isn't just another tech trend. It's a transformation in how we create, communicate, and even think about intelligence itself. Generative AI is opening doors to new forms of expression and innovation, changing the landscape of creativity forever. So, what exactly is generative AI? In simple terms, it's artificial intelligence that creates new, original content instead of just analyzing or classifying existing data. Imagine having an artist who can paint any scene you describe, a writer who can draft any document you need, or a composer who can create music in any style. Generative AI learns the underlying patterns of its training data so well that it can generate completely new, plausible creations. This is a leap from traditional AI, which mainly answers questions like, "What is in this picture?" to generative AI, which responds with, "Create a picture of." Let's break down the key difference between traditional and generative AI. Traditional AI focuses on analysis, recognizing what's already there, like identifying objects in a picture or classifying emails as spam. Generative AI, on the other hand, is all about creation. It can generate images, write stories, compose music, and even code, all from scratch. This shift means AI is no longer just a tool for understanding the world, but a partner in inventing new possibilities. Generative AI didn't appear overnight. Several breakthroughs converged to make it possible. First, massive computing power became available, thanks to GPUs and specialized AI chips. Cloud computing made this power accessible to more people. Second, we saw an explosion of digital data, text, images, and code on the internet, giving AI plenty to learn from. Third, new algorithms like the transformer architecture and diffusion models revolutionized how AI learns and generates content. Finally, huge investments in research fueled rapid progress, leading to milestones like GANs, GPT models, and the public release of ChatGPT. Let's look at the breakthroughs that made generative AI possible. Massive computing power, especially with GPUs and cloud computing, allowed for training huge models. The internet provided an ocean of digital data, text, images, and code for AI to learn from. The algorithm revolution brought us transformer architectures and diffusion models, which are the backbone of today's generative systems. And with billions invested in AI research, the field advanced at an unprecedented pace, leading to the powerful tools we have today. The journey of generative AI is marked by key milestones. In 2014, early generative adversarial networks, GANs, emerged, allowing AI to create realistic images. By 2017, the Transformer paper was published, revolutionizing how AI processes language. 2018 saw the release of GPT-1, and just 2 years later, GPT-3 demonstrated remarkable capabilities. In 2022, ChatGPT brought generative AI to the masses, making these powerful tools accessible to everyone. Each step built on the last, accelerating the pace of innovation. One of the core technologies behind generative AI is the large language model, or LLM. These models are trained on massive datasets of text, enabling them to understand and generate human-like language. Examples include GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini. LLMs can write articles, answer questions, and even hold conversations that feel natural. Their ability to process and generate text is at the heart of many generative AI applications you see today. Another breakthrough is diffusion models, which are used to generate images. These models start with random noise and gradually refine it into a coherent, detailed picture. Tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion use this technology to create stunning visuals from simple text prompts. Diffusion models have opened up new possibilities for artists, designers, and anyone looking to bring their imagination to life through AI-generated images. At the core of modern generative AI is the transformer architecture. Introduced in 2017, transformers handle sequential data efficiently, allowing AI to understand context and relationships in language, images, and more. This architecture is the backbone of large language models and many other generative systems. Its ability to process vast amounts of information quickly and accurately has made today's AI revolution possible. The next frontier in generative AI is multimodal systems. These are AI models that can understand and generate multiple types of data, text, images, audio, and even video. Multimodal AI can connect different forms of information, making it possible to create integrated experiences and smarter tools. As these systems evolve, we'll see AI that can seamlessly blend language, visuals, and sound, opening up even more creative possibilities. Generative AI is transforming content creation across industries. It can write articles, stories, and marketing copy in seconds. Designers use it to generate images for advertising and branding. Video creators and animators rely on AI to produce content faster than ever before. Whether you're a writer, artist, or marketer, generative AI is a powerful partner, helping you bring ideas to life with unprecedented speed and creativity. Software development is another area where generative AI shines. AI can write and debug code, explain complex programming concepts, and generate documentation. Developers use AI tools to speed up their workflow, catch bugs, and even learn new programming languages. This not only boosts productivity, but also makes software development more accessible to people with different backgrounds and skill levels. In education and research, generative AI is a game changer. It can provide personalized tutoring, summarize research papers, and help solve complex problems across disciplines. Students benefit from instant explanations and tailored learning materials, while researchers use AI to analyze data and generate insights. This technology is making learning more engaging and research more efficient. Businesses are leveraging generative AI to boost productivity. AI can draft emails, generate responses, analyze data, and create reports in minutes. It also helps with presentation, creation, and automates repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more strategic work. By integrating AI into daily workflows, companies are seeing significant gains in efficiency and effectiveness. The creative arts are being reinvented by generative AI. Musicians use AI to compose music in any style, poets and writers generate new works, and game developers create assets with ease. AI is not replacing human creativity but amplifying it, offering new tools for artists to experiment and express themselves in ways never before possible. In marketing and advertising, generative AI is a powerful ally. It can generate ad copy, design campaigns, and create visual content instantly. AI also personalizes customer communications, making marketing more effective and engaging. Brands are using AI to stand out in crowded markets and connect with audiences in new, creative ways. The entertainment industry is being transformed by generative AI. Script writing, storyboarding, and game development are faster and more dynamic. Special effects and animation benefit from AI's ability to generate visuals and automate complex processes. This means more creative content, produced at a faster pace, and with greater flexibility for creators. Education is becoming more personalized with generative AI. AI can create customized learning materials, provide instant homework help, and act as a language learning companion. Teachers and students benefit from resources tailored to individual needs, making education more effective and engaging for everyone. Healthcare is also seeing the impact of generative AI. AI assists with medical documentation, analyzes research papers, and creates educational materials for patients. By automating routine tasks and providing insights, AI helps healthcare professionals focus on patient care and stay up to date with the latest research. Software engineering is evolving with generative AI. AI tools can generate and optimize code, detect bugs, and create technical documentation. This not only speeds up development but also improves code quality and reduces errors. Engineers can focus on solving complex problems while AI handles repetitive coding tasks. Despite its power, generative AI isn't perfect. One challenge is accuracy. AI can sometimes generate information that sounds plausible but is actually incorrect, a phenomenon known as hallucination. That's why human verification and fact-checking remain essential. As we rely more on AI, it's important to remember that these systems need oversight to ensure the information they produce is reliable. Generative AI learns from vast datasets, but these datasets often reflect human biases. This means AI can unintentionally amplify stereotypes or produce unfair results. Addressing bias and ensuring fairness is a major challenge for developers and users alike. Ongoing research and careful oversight are needed to make AI systems more equitable and just. As AI generates more content, questions about intellectual property arise. Who owns AI-generated works? What happens when AI is trained on copyrighted materials? These are complex legal and ethical issues that society is still working to address. Clear guidelines and responsible practices are needed to navigate this new creative landscape. Generative AI is changing the job market by automating both creative and analytical tasks. While some jobs may be replaced, new roles are emerging that require skills in AI collaboration, prompt engineering, and creative direction. The key is adaptation, learning new skills, and finding ways to work alongside AI to unlock new opportunities. Ethical concerns are at the forefront of generative AI discussions. Deepfakes and misinformation can spread rapidly, raising questions about privacy, security, and appropriate use. It's crucial to develop safeguards and educate users about the limitations and risks of AI-generated content, ensuring technology is used responsibly. The most successful approach isn't about AI replacing humans, but about humans augmented by AI. The best results come from combining human creativity with AI execution, human judgment with AI generation, and human oversight with AI assistance. This partnership allows us to achieve more than either could alone, blending the strengths of both. Looking ahead, generative AI will become even more sophisticated. We'll see more advanced multimodal AI, better reasoning and problem-solving abilities, and deeper integration into everyday tools. Personalized AI assistants will become common, helping us with tasks big and small, and making technology feel more like a partner than a tool. To thrive in a world powered by generative AI, new skills are essential. Prompt engineering, crafting effective instructions for AI, is becoming a valuable talent. Critical thinking is needed to evaluate AI output, while creative direction helps guide AI tools toward meaningful results. Ethical deployment ensures technology benefits everyone. Embracing these skills will unlock new opportunities and keep you ahead in the evolving landscape. Generative AI brings a wave of new opportunities. It democratizes content creation, increases productivity, and accelerates innovation across industries. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or educator, AI opens doors to creative possibilities that were once out of reach. The future is being generated right now, and everyone can be a part of it. Generative AI isn't just a technological shift, it's a creative and intellectual revolution. Like the printing press, camera, and internet before it, this technology will reshape how we create, communicate, and think. The key is to understand it, learn to work with it, and help shape its responsible development. By embracing generative AI, we can ensure it becomes a force for good, driving progress and creativity for all.